Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hot Wheels Garage. Today we're opening two factory fresh Acuras, so let's get straight into it. First up, we're going to look at the 1990 Acura NSX, and you can see the factory fresh series, car 6 of 10. Now this is actually the oldest Acura model that Hot Wheels makes, so that's pretty cool. Now this NSX is a supercar. It doesn't look like a supercar to me, but when Honda produced it originally in the 80s, they introduced it into North America under the Acura brand as a supercar. So I'm a bit surprised that this look of a car is a supercar. Anyway, this particular one from the Factory Fresh series has got those cool chrome 5-spoke wheels. We've got the decals on the back there for the tail lights. It's got a black roof you can't see in. It's a pretty cool looking sports car. I don't mind this one at all. It's actually quite nice. Alright, let's check out the 2017 Acura NSX. Again, it was from the Factory Fresh series and it's car 7 of 10. The first one was the 2018 series and this one is the 2017 series of Factory Fresh. So they're different series of Factory Fresh. But this one actually is pretty nice. It's got those Trap 5 wheels. They've got the dark grey on the inside there. I really like these wheels. They're pretty cool. It's got a black roof, sort of similar to that same as the 90s one, except this has got the clear window and you can see that really nice black interior. And again, the tampos on it, we've got the rear tail lights, we've got headlights, we've got the Acura symbol. It's pretty nice. And this car has only been released 4 times since it was a new casting in 2016. So let me know if you've got the other color variations of this. Alright, time to check them out on the track. We'll check out that 1990s NSX. Now neither of these cars are track stars, and this car was okay on the track. It fell out of the loop, yes, because it lost a bit of speed, so we gave it a second turn, but after it went around a couple of times, see, it goes through the loop fine. I could hear it clicking on the track, so I was just checking the track, but when you look at the front of the car, it's actually got a pretty long front scoop there, so I think that was actually hitting the curves. So otherwise, it's not a bad track car. Now we'll check out the 2017 version of the NSX. And those wheels, I really like those wheels, so I thought it would be good. And as you can see, it was not a bad performer. It did lose speed, but it was still pretty cool on the track. Alright, let me know, do you have either of these NSX models, or maybe you have them in a different color? Let me know in the comments down below. Give it a big thumbs up, but most importantly, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss what's up next in the Hot Wheels Garage. Thanks everyone!